Alright, welcome back to White House Farm. Today's episode, we're going to be showing you how to make apple pie fritters from scratch. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so we could move these beautiful pear fritters out of the way and start making our apple pear fritters. Alright, we're getting all of our ingredients out. First thing we're going to do is we're going to make the glaze while the oil over here is heating up. So we got some vanilla and some powdered sugar, and we'll go ahead and we'll stir that in here. And we're going to do a cup of powdered sugar. There we go. Now we're going to do a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to go and stir in 2 tablespoons of milk. Stir that up. We'll add a little bit more powdered sugar and thicken it up. And depending on how thick you want it, you can add more milk or more powdered sugar to thicken it up. Milk to make it more liquidy. Alright. Alright, so we're going to need some fresh eggs for this recipe. So let's go ahead and grab some from my workshop here. Hey Helen. Just need a couple. Oh wow. Alright, I'll come back out for more. Good girl. Alright, so 1 fresh egg, fresh from our chickens. A little bit of salt. Alright, now we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And 1. And there's 1/2. And whisk that in. We're going to add a 1/3 cup of milk. Now we need 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Mix that in there. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of flour. There's 1/2. And there's whole. And we'll use a spoon to stir this up. Used the whisk last time and it got all stuck to it. There we go. And this is our batter. Minus the delicious apples we're going to add. Oh, I forgot, just like our pear, I'm gonna add another 1/4 cup of milk to this. And you could do this at whatever consistency you want. If you want it more runnier, you can add even more milk. Or if you want it thicker, you can keep it just like how I had it originally. But I like it in that in-between stage. I like it more like a batter almost. Yeah, see, I think that's much better. Let's go ahead and core and peel 2 fresh apples here. Alright. There's one. And you can add as much or as little apple as you want. We're going to go with 2 because it seems to be the right ratio for what I like. And also for the recipe, I feel like each batch makes roughly about 6 decent sized fritters. Alright. Here we go. And let's go ahead and start chopping these. And I like mine finely diced. I mean, not too fine, but I don't like big chunks. I like to be able to bite it and not pull half of it out. Alright, let's go ahead and add them in there. Alright, let's stir them up into there. Alright, we are all set for frying now. Once you get up to 350, you can go ahead and start putting them in. We go ahead and start putting some in.
Are they making what their clothes?
Alright, get these next to our pear fritters here. And we are just adding the icing on. I think I'll grab that little guy right there. Homemade apple fritters. Huh. So good. I'm gonna have the kids try these ones too. There's our apple, and there's our pear. They pair good together. These are apple fritters, and these are pear fritters. Which one you guys want to try?
Pear.
Or you want to try a little bit of both?
I want to do pear.
You
A
wanna
little
do
bit of.
pear?
Can I try a little bit of apple?
Absolutely. Come here, Major.
Looks like meat.
Come on over here. Try that pear. That was a big bite. Which kind do you want to try, Jamie?
This.
The apple?
Yeah.
These just came out, so these are hot. Oh yeah. There you go.
Mm.
Good? I think that that's a yes.
Looks like someone will be coming to Dad to make fritters instead of Mom to make French
Have one more.
toast. So good.
Isn't it
What are you
great,
doing?
nice and warm?
Can I have a bite? I thought that was for me.
Come here.
I didn't get to try. I'm gross.
Come here, gross. Apple fritter.
Ah. Oh. That's even better than pear. I say fritters are what's for dinner.
Mom,
All right.
look around that way.
All right, so they're a hit. So once again, we hope you like,
Now subscribe.
enjoy, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye guys.
Okay, cut me another bite of that.
Mom, come here.
Hold on, dude. I'm like, found my new favorite thing.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo. Bye, guys.